sticky. Sticky doesn't like to grade well. Good morning, everybody. My hands are frozen. We're fueling up the John Deere 50G. So what's going on this morning is Zach gonna bring me dirt. Oh, let me get this. Zach's gonna bring me dirt. We gotta bring it all along the edge of that. Started that a while ago, but we didn't get to finish it because we had to come out here and do all this concrete prep on this side and that side. That driveway, the driveway over there, that whole long, it's been a long journey. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get dirt in these areas here, how they're really low, bury all that concrete, fill in that hole, all the way down there. So that's the plan for today. It's gonna be a really slow process. It's gonna be a fun one. Well, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. See ya next clip. Oh, that's bad. That should keep us busy for a while. It got really busy there for a minute. We got all that fence moved out of the way. I really couldn't grade with it right there. It was just mainly putting dirt in here. This is our shape, how we're gonna blend right into the existing slope that's here for the swell, all the way down. Landscapers are here, ready to get this done and they're blowing topsoil into it. So we gotta get this done pretty quick. that's how it turned out. Got a little bit of clumps. Sweep all that little crap off. That's fine. Yeah, got our transition to this slope, looking good. Landscapers is probably coming, throw bark dust all over this, knock down all the clumps. That's it. I'd like to thank you all for watching. See you next time.